Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, I'll show you how to add an image to the background of your full screen campaign. But first, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. I'm almost finished editing the design of my campaign. I just need to add a background image. To do so, I'll navigate to Settings and then select the Advanced tab. Next, I'll open the full screen settings and then click Select an Image. I can either upload an image from my computer or select an image I've previously uploaded. Since I've already uploaded the image I want to use, I'll select it. Next, you can adjust the sizing and positioning of your background image using the menus. If you want to add a background overlay color on top of the image, you can disable the Set Image First option. Then, use the Style and Background Color menus to adjust the background overlay color and opacity. And that's it. When you're finished editing your background image, select Save. You can then move on to the final steps of setting your display rules, connecting your email service provider, and then publishing your campaign. If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation. Or for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket and we'd be happy to help.